Hey guys, what is up? It is Dirt Dale back at again with another farm life. I know I haven't done one of these in like forever, but today we are working up corn stalks while my father is over there with the bean planter and 4840. So as you can see, I have the cultivator. This is the I think the 1100 or 1000. I'm not sure which one we have behind us. We have a 1100 cultivator and a 1000 cultivator, but I'm in the good old 8400. As you can see, it's sprayer tracks, but got my steel toe on, my jeans. Actually, I'm wearing an AC/DC shirt right now, but I have my good old trusty hat too. Hold up, I'm turning here, so. And you guys are in for a treat. You're about to see some rolling coal too out of the tractor. Let's miss this catch basin. Here's rolling coal. Not a lot, but oh well. But yeah, right now we're putting some AgriGold from Synergy Seeds down on this 180. But yeah, what I'm mainly doing is fluffing up the soil, and I'm getting rid of the tire compaction from the floaters. But yeah, see, you can see the line going straight down from the floaters, and I'm going into angle. So, but yeah, I may have a couple riders later. Not sure. I have an empty buddy seat right now, but you know, everyone's at church right now, and it's fairly early, so don't know how well that would go. But yeah, let's see how this goes today. You can see all these birds dive bombing for worms and stuff. Again, there's my dad with the 4840. But again, catch y'all later. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. And this is Dirt Dale signing out.